Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to restore your Trust Wallet on a new phone. First, make sure you have your unique 12-word recovery phrase readily available. This phrase is crucial for regaining access to your funds. Next, download and install the official Trust Wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app to begin the restoration process. After opening the Trust Wallet app, you'll see an option to create a new wallet or I already have a wallet. Select I already have a wallet. Then choose Multi-Coin Wallet from the list. This will prompt you to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Type each word precisely, ensuring correct spelling and order, as any error will prevent access. Once you have accurately entered your 12-word recovery phrase, tap the Import button. The application will then process your phrase and begin synchronizing with the blockchain. This may take a few moments. After successful synchronization, your wallet will be restored, and you should see all your cryptocurrency assets and transaction history displayed within the app. To maintain your wallet's security, always store your recovery phrase in a safe, private place, ideally offline. Never share it with anyone, even if they claim to be Trust Wallet support. Consider enabling biometric security features on your phone, such as fingerprint or Face ID, for an extra layer of protection when accessing the app. Stay vigilant against scams and phishing attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.